Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Have you ever wondered if AI could help you invest and make your financial life easier? That's exactly what Robo-Advisors do. This concept has been around for years in the US, but is still relatively new in Taiwan. Today, we're going to compare both markets, highlight key differences, and discuss future trends. Let's get started. Robo-Advisors started gaining traction in the US after the 2008 financial crisis. Today, over 50 companies manage more than $1.5 trillion in assets. In contrast, Taiwan is still in the early stages, with around 10 companies offering robo-advisory services and relatively low market penetration, that TOs summarize. The US market is mature, and investors are generally comfortable with AI-driven investing, whereas Taiwan is still exploring this space. But the potential for growth is huge. Taiwan's robo-advisory industry can be divided into two categories. One. Bank-based services, such as Megabank e-Paying, Cathay Smart Advisor, and Rakuten Intelligent Investment. Point 2. Independent fintech companies, such as Money's AI investment solutions. Meanwhile, in the US, robo-advisors fall into 1. Traditional financial institutions, like Vanguard Personal Advisor and Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. Point 2. Independent fintech companies, like Wealthfront and Betterment. Investment strategies and customization. One major difference between the US and Taiwan is the investment options and strategies. Point 1. Taiwan. Mostly ETFs, Taiwanese and US markets, with a relatively conservative strategy. 2. US. A wider variety of investment choices, including ETFs, individual stocks, mutual funds, bonds, and even cryptocurrencies. Investment strategies and customization. One major difference between the US and Taiwan is the investment options and strategies. Point 1. Taiwan. Mostly ETFs, Taiwanese and US markets, with a relatively conservative strategy. 2. US. A wider variety of investment choices, including ETFs, individual stocks, mutual funds, bonds, and even cryptocurrencies. Rebalancing strategies also differ. 1. Taiwan. Fixed periodic rebalancing. 2. US. AI-driven dynamic rebalancing based on market trends and individual investor behavior. Personalization levels. 1. Taiwan. Investments are categorized by risk levels. 2. US. AI learns from user behavior and adjusts portfolios accordingly. Cost and fees. Fees are another significant difference. 1. Taiwan. Management fees range from 0.2% to 1%. Point 2. US. Generally lower, around 0.25% to 0.5%. Some services, like Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, even offer zero management fees. Minimum investment amounts. 1. Taiwan. Around 10,000 new Taiwan dollars, $320 USD. Point 2. US. Some providers allow starting with $0 additional fees. 1. Taiwan. ETF internal fees and transaction fees. 2. US. ETF internal fees, with some services charging transaction fees. Regulation and innovation. 1. Taiwan has stricter regulations, which limit innovation. 2. The US has a more open market, allowing for advanced technologies and more investment. Options. Future trends and opportunities. 1. AI and big data integration are gradually improving in Taiwan, whereas they are already widely used in the US, particularly in risk management. Point 2. Open banking and API integrations in Taiwan are still in early stages, while in the US, they are well integrated with financial institutions. Point 3. Tax loss harvesting. A major advantage in the US is rarely used in Taiwan. Point 4. Personalization in Taiwan is still based on risk categories, while US platforms use AI to dynamically adjust portfolios. In the future, Taiwan's robo-advisors are likely to evolve towards more personalized AI-driven investment strategies, incorporating tax optimization and automation. Final thoughts. The US robo-advisor market is mature, with diverse investment options, lower fees, and advanced AI integration. Taiwan's market is still developing, mainly dominated by banks with limited investment choices. TO enhance Taiwan's robo-advisory landscape. Key areas to focus on include 1. Smarter AI-driven investment strategies. Point 2. Cost reduction to improve competitiveness. Point 3. Expanding investment choices. including stocks and cryptocurrencies. Taiwan's robo-advisory sector has significant growth potential. If technology adoption accelerates and fees decrease, we could see a much more vibrant market. Would you consider letting AI manage your investments? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.